The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone is having a very blessed holiday, you know what I mean, and the best of wishes for everyone over the holidays and the best of wishes for the New Year's that's coming, you know what I mean? Yeah. And right about now, viewers and subscribers, here is the question. How do you feel about a man that hits woman? Alright, or should I say, how do you feel about men that hits women? How do you feel about fighting overall and all these things? You see me? Now, I am saying this because of a video that is out on social media that shows off, two persons who are co-workers, and they had somewhat of a dispute and it ended in a fight where the male hit the female. Now, viewers and subscribers, this said to have happened in the United States of America at the airport that is known as JFK. That would be John F. Kennedy. Alright? And viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media where a lot of things have been said about this video, but the main thing what I'm asking right about now is that how do you feel about men that will hit women, or how do you feel about fighting? You know, those two questions. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you this video right now so that you can have a look at it and you will see what I'm talking about. But before I show you this video, I want to warn everyone that this video contains scenes that might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Take a look and we'll talk about it a little bit more. Observe.
Are you crazy? You want to continue this job? I know you. Don't come on, you're losing it. You stupid. Are you stupid? Do you know what you're doing?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, so there you have it, the video that I'm talking about where the person hit the other person. Now, viewers and subscribers, the first thing I'm going to say is that I don't have any information as to what started the whole dispute, and I don't know how much or how big is the dispute for it to escalate in the point where someone hit the other person, you know what I mean? But viewers and subscribers, I want to point it out. This is my opinion, this is my point of view of a situation like this, is that I said it before and I'll say it again. The best thing to do is walk away. And listen why. Because you have too much to lose than to gain in a situation like this. You see me? Listen this now. You and someone have a problem at your workplace, because this is a workplace, right? These are co-workers, right? You hit that person. Listen the amount of things you have to lose. You can be prosecuted. You understand? You can lose a job. And you have a bad reputation on your record throughout the time that you're in a country or your life. You get what I'm saying to you? However, if you walk away, the only thing a person is going to say, Chuck, is this and is that. That's words. That not go up on the record. You see me? A lot of times I say something like this, and sometimes persons might say, oh, Skilla, or just because it not happened to you, that's why you say so. Well, let me say this. The amount of times I have found myself in situations where persons are like, and want to argue, and I walk away. Probably it's the reason why I am alive right here, right now. You see me? Men should be protecting women, and women should be taking care of men. No man not supposed to hit no woman, and no woman not supposed to hit no man. No one is supposed to hit anyone at all, no matter the race or where they're from or the gender or whatsoever. No one is supposed to fight. See, for the year 2020, I wish that everybody that just live in love. You get me? Somebody says something, just walk away. Leave it. You understand? It's time for a peaceful world right about now. Everybody for a living one, hug up and go through and, show respect and manners at the same time. You understand? Yeah, and that is my point of view of how I look at things. Alright? Alright. But anyway, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. You don't know, you can let me know what you think about what I've said and what you have seen in the video. You know what I mean? How do you feel about men that hit women or fighting overall? Alright? Let me know what you think. Alright? Alright. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself.